Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to save a post on Instagram. Whether you want to keep track of your favorite recipes, inspiring quotes, or stunning photography, saving posts is a fantastic way to curate your digital scrapbook. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your feed filled with posts from the accounts you follow. Next, it's time to find the post you want to save. Scroll through your feed or explore the Discover page until you spot a post that catches your eye. This could be anything from a beautiful landscape photo to a DIY tutorial that you want to revisit later. Now that you've found the perfect post, look for the Save icon. This icon resembles a small bookmark and is usually located at the bottom right corner of the post. Simply tap on this icon, and you'll notice that it changes color, indicating that the post has been successfully saved. This is a great way to ensure you can easily find this content again, without having to scroll endlessly through your feed. Once you've saved the post, you might wonder where to find all your saved content. To view your saved posts, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Saved, and you'll see all the posts you've saved neatly organized for easy access. Remember, saving posts is a private action. Only you can see what you've saved. This feature allows you to collect and revisit content that inspires or interests you without cluttering your camera roll. In summary, saving posts on Instagram is a straightforward process. Open the app, find what you love, and tap that Save icon. With just a few taps, you'll have a personalized collection of inspiring content right at your fingertips. Happy saving!